Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you and explain to you why you aren't getting Snapchat Plus or you don't have it currently. Well, it's a very kind of regional thing and a regional problem. So most people in the States when they open Snapchat, they'll have the option to have Snapchat Plus. It's a new Snapchat version that's paid service, essentially a monthly subscription to Snapchat that will open up new services to you. But if you don't have it, it's because it won't be released in your country yet. Snapchat Plus will be available at launch in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. They'll expand to more countries over time, but it will be a bit slower. So, like with most things that aren't shipped and released internationally, you will just have to wait, or you can use a VPN and get it sooner. That's an alternative that I've showed you before. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.